Stop panicking over every puppy sneeze. Start asking real vets with NYP TeleVet, and say goodbye to chewed-up shoes. As a first-time pet parent, everything freaked me out. Hiccups, sneezes, even grass eating. Then my mom told me about NYP TeleVet. For just $9.99 a month, I can chat with real vets anytime, right from my phone. They helped me puppy-proof my shoes, and now I worry way less. Plus, it covers up to 6 pets, just in case my pup gets siblings. NYP TeleVet, my puppy's first best friend and mine too.